Srimad Bhagavatam, Skandha 2, Adhyaya 8, Shloka 13. Viksham Tisrukchatmikam Vibhrani Tvai Chukshubhe Tribhuvani Bhavaya Maya Swayam Mayatha Kalu Kala Shakti Akila Adrushtam Swabhavo Apicha Pradur Bhuya Gunan Vikasya Vidadadhu Tasyaha Sahaya Kriyam Srimad Narayaniyam Dashakam 5 Shlokam 3. Here Narayana Bhattatri clearly explains Srishti. Viksham Sisrukchatbikam. Sri Narayana after Pralaya wanted to do Srishti. Sisrukchatmikam. He glanced at the Maya Shakti to create Tribhuvana. Because of Paramatma's Sannidhi or presence, Maya, the Moola Prakriti or matter, they get agitated. Chukchube. From this came the Mahakala, Akila Adrushta, Karma, Akila Adrushta or Karma, and also the Swabhava or three gunas, Sattva, Raja, Tamas, Sattva, Rajaha, Tamas. Tasyaha Sahaya Kriyam. Thus, with the help of Maya Shakti of Parabrahman, Srishti started. Shankara says, this Shakti associated with Parabrahma is called Mahishi, Parabrahma Mahishi in Saundarya Lagari. To know this Srishti or beginning, Parikshit asked the following questions in Shloka number 13, Skandha 2, 8th Adhyaya. Kalasya anugatihi yatu lakshyate anvi brihatyapi yavatyaha karmagatayo yadrushihi dvijasattamaha. The question of Parikshit is a meaningful one. Anvi kalasya. O learned Guru Shukadeva, please tell me which is the smallest anvi, smallest unit of kala or time. Which is the longest one? The smallest is the kala associated with the jivas. And Brihat Kala, the all-pervading Kala, is Mahakala, the first thing to come out of Maya Shakti. Maya Shakti is always associated with Parabrahman, who is never touched by this Kala. Kalasya Anugatihi. When Maya is agitated, Mahakala comes. Anugatihi. It is followed by the karmas. Before Srishti, they were present in the body of Parabrahman in the subtlest form. When Paramatma wishes to create, Maya gives rise to Mahakala and then karmas, which are anadi, they all come out. Mahakala makes it by the prerana, command of Parabrahman, who is the Sakshi only. To conclude, let us remember a verse in Jitam Te Stotra. Yekaha Tvamasi Lokasya Srashta Samharakaha Tatha Adhyakshascha Anumantacha Guna Maya Samavritaha. Guna Maya Samavritaha. Parabrahman is always associated with Maya, which give rise to Kala, Karma and Gunas. And Yekaha Tvamasi. Only one Paramatma is there, only one person. Lokasya Srashta, he is the creator. Samharaka, he is the destroyer. Adhyaksha, he is the protector. And Anumantacha, there is a fourth quality called Anumanta. He allows us to enjoy materialistic things. Pranams to my mom, Srimati A.K. Pattamal, with love, Chandra.